Today I'm going to teach you how to buy LinkedIn Premium. This upgrade gives you access to advanced networking features, enhanced profile visibility, and valuable insights that can help accelerate your career or business growth. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're signed in properly before moving forward, as you'll need to be logged in to access the premium subscription options. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a button that says Try Premium. Click on it. This button is your gateway to exploring all the premium features LinkedIn has to offer, and it's designed to make the upgrade process as smooth as possible. Once you click that, you'll be taken to a page showcasing the different premium plans available. Look for the option that says Try 1 month of premium and click on it. This gives you the chance to test out premium features for a month, often at a discounted rate or even for free, depending on current promotions LinkedIn is running. Next, LinkedIn will ask you a personalized question. What could you use support with today? You'll see several options to choose from, such as for my personal goals, for my job, or others. Select the option that best fits your needs and then click Next. This helps LinkedIn tailor the premium experience to your specific objectives. On the following screen, LinkedIn will present another question. Premium subscribers get up to 11 times more profile views. What do you need help with? Browse through the choices provided and select the one that resonates most with your goals. Once you've made your selection, click Next to continue. Now, LinkedIn will ask, what are your biggest barriers to networking? Again, you'll see a set of choices. Pick the one that reflects your main challenge and click Next. These questions help LinkedIn customize recommendations and features that will be most useful to you during your premium experience. At this point, the page will load briefly as LinkedIn processes your selections and prepares your personalized premium dashboard. Just give it a moment to complete this step. Once the loading is done, you'll see options to either redeem or buy your premium subscription. If you have a promotional code or trial offer, click Redeem. Otherwise, click Buy to proceed directly to the payment page. This will take you to a secure checkout where you can enter your payment details and finalize your subscription. And that's it. You've successfully subscribed to LinkedIn Premium and unlocked a suite of powerful tools to enhance your professional presence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.